All right, we need to check in now with Jeff Dedarian. He has been reporting on the conditions in New London. Last time we spoke with you, there was a truck stuck, a utility truck. What's going on now?
Fell.
I know.
It was a whole thing.
We had it all going on, guys. So now that's sort of changed. The guys were able to use some tow ropes and chains. In fact, right here, there was a truck that was stuck. If you kind of pan down a little bit, Sean, our photojournalist here, who was with me, my wingman, and you know, you can see some of the burnt tire. The tires are just spinning and spinning. So the utility crews were able to get out. These are guys from like Indiana, Arkansas. I talked to one guy, nice guy. I'm like, you ever see anything like this? He's like, no, never. He's like, we get, you know, an ice storm maybe, and that's about it. So if you come a little bit over here this way, this is what you'll be walking out to a little bit later on. Sean, be careful. Just kind of stay there because it's a little bit unsteady here with all these snow drifts. But see, guys, right here, this is kind of what we're talking about. I'm going to make my way over here. This car, right, Joe and Scott, they've been talking about this. These are the snow drifts that we're talking about, right? Let's show this. This is what you'll come out to because the wind has been so strong, it's been whipping the snow up against the car. So you're going to have to deal with this heavy kind of snow that we've been telling you about, the snowball snow as it's told. And so the crews in the plows, I'll make my way over here, the crews in the plows have been out, but you know, the roads are more clear than they were, say, an hour ago, but it's still not great. You shouldn't come out. We'll go a little bit to the, let's swing it that way. There you see some of these power crews. They're trying to get to places like Clinton and Meriden, and they've been stuck themselves. They're just kind of making their way out. And what time is it here? Let me look. It's a little bit around 11 o'clock or so, right? So they've been, in fact, Sean, if you go a little to the left, you see the guys with the tow rope. Ann and Catherine, this is live pictures here. These guys trying to get that truck in the back. They're going to use this white pickup truck, and they're trying to dig stuff out. It's just kind of, you know, what's happening. And we come back this way, turn it around this way, walk over here, and so we'll try and just, there's a bump there, Sean. Watch out for that. So I'm going to have Sean stay here, and I'm going to make my way. Just be careful. I'm going to make my way. I'm not being rude, my back to the camera. But see, this is what happens. You just go down like this, and so you've got these high snowbanks. And listen, guys, I'm not 6 feet. I'm a short guy, but there's a lot of snow. You're going to fight your way through in order to get to the street. So a lot of snowbanks you're going to want to just be wary of. Got trucks coming this way. Let me get out of the way. And so down here we've got a little bit of kind of sketchy pavement, if you will, but there's a lot of ice that is going to be underneath the snow. Scott and Joe have been talking about that. So when it is time to clear out, 3 o'clock, yeah, 1 sec. When it is time to clear out, you're going to just want to keep that in mind. The snow is heavy. The wind is sort of coming this way across my face. And so, and then this is, again, guys, look, these drifts that we're talking about, right? Look at it. It's just crazy. So that's what we've got here in New London. And again, a little bit better than an hour ago, but still not great. Back to you guys.
Jeff, be careful. We do not want to lose you in some snowbank.
Right. I might have to, like, you know, get buried in a snowbank.
No,
Sean will have to dig me out.
We don't want that.
We need you.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Yep, I'm kidding. Okay.